So students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss the first type of angina, that is stable angina, which is also known as effort-induced angina, classic or the typical angina. Now, in this type of angina, basically what are the characteristics? The characteristics are the last burning, heavy or the squeezing feeling in the chest, and sometimes the patient may feel the atypical signs which include the extreme fatigue, nausea, diaphoresis, that is sweating, and sometimes you can characterize this type of angina as the stable silent angina. Why silent angina? What is silent angina? Silent angina is a type of the angina in which your heart is not getting the enough blood, is not perfused well, and is not getting the adequate amount of the oxygen. Even then, are not feeling any symptoms of angina. You will not notice any symptom. So this type of angina is actually the silent angina. No doubt this is a problem, but you are strong enough that you are not feeling these signs and the symptoms. Atypical angina is most common in women, especially in the diabetic patients and in the elderly patients. So classic angina or this type of the angina is characterized by the reduction of the coronary perfusion, and this is because of the obstruction in the coronary artery. And you know it well that the function of the coronary artery is to supply blood to the heart to work properly. It means in this type of the angina there are obstructions in the coronary artery, and that is basically by the atherosclerosis. That may be possibility of the formation of the plaque within the arteries, within the coronary arteries especially. Now, what is plaque? What is the composition of the plaque? Plaque is actually made up of the fatty deposits. It is consist of the fatty substances, and it consists of the cholesterols as well. And in addition to this, this consists of the cellular waste products of the cells. It consists of calcium as well and the fibrin. Now, what are the factors that can induce this ischemia? This is because of the increase oxygen demand of your body because of the physical activity. This can be by the emotional stress or by the excitement. All those activities which are increasing the workload of the heart, which are increasing the cardiac workload, may induce the angina. Now, typical angina. Typical angina is relieved by the rest. If you will rest, definitely you will quit the symptoms. Now, the most common drug used in it is the nitroglycerine. Now, what is the when the pattern of your chest pain remains same. Now, I'm going to discuss why this type of angina is called stable angina. Why this is stable? This is stable because the pattern of the chest pain will remain the same. Even the amount of effort needed to trigger the chest pain does not vary. At the same type of the activity, you will get the same sign and symptoms of the angina. You will get the same pattern of the chest pain. So students, this was all about this stable angina.